In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to the Principle of Life series. Today's topic is the power of patience. Patience is not about waiting, but how you act while waiting. Life will bring you challenges, but how you respond to them is what matter most. When you are patient, you show trust in Allah's pen. Remember, after hardship comes ease. Allah is always with those who are patient. Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, Inna Allah ma'as sabirin. Indeed, Allah is with the patient.